Next is the concern for high quality of work. Uh, how the person entrepreneur is concerned about the quality of work, then commitment to the work, efficiency orientation, systematic planning, problem solving, self confidence, assertiveness, persuasion, use of influencing strategies, how effectively the person is implementing the correct strategies for functioning of the organization, monitoring how frequently the person is monitoring the working of the organization. Then next one is your concern for employee welfare. So these are the personal entrepreneurial competencies a person must possess. Another moving to the another competencies which are required for or essential for launching the enterprises are, that is the in addition of personal competencies, other competencies required by an entrepreneur are like enterprise launching competencies, means how effectively and what type of characteristics the person is having and possessing to launch the business. Like the first one is competency to understand the nature of business, how effectively the person is analyzing the advantages of owning a small business, owning a large business, the risk, each and everything. Another is the competency to determine the potential as an entrepreneur, how effective or how quick the person is in uh, making a decision making, how effectively he is solving the problems, making the operational plans, making the planning, strategic planning, all these competencies to develop a business plan, how effective the person is or how attractive or the person is able to make the uh, business plan. So to identify how business plan help the entrepreneur to recognize how a business plan should be organized, to identify and use the mechanism for developing a business plan. Another is competency to obtain technical assistance, like technical assistance too, because the person one single person cannot run the complete organization. That person need to seek assistance in various areas. So how effectively the person is obtaining the technical assistance, means how he is selecting the professional consultants effective, work effectively with those consultants. Another is competency to choose the type of ownership, like uh, which type of ownership he should that person should use, whether that person go for the sole proprietorship, partnership, or the public limited company or the private limited company, which type of company, type of ownership that person is choosing. Then another is competency to locate the business, means where the customers are, they are assessing the transportation, parking, and so further relative to the alternative site locations, to complete a location feasibility study for the business. So all type of studies required. Then competency to finance the business, so how effectively that person locate the sources of finance, determine the financial needs to start a new business. That is also required as a competency. Then competency to deal with the business, like how effectively the person is getting the legal assistance, because the all the businesses, all the ventures are able to the law, and how effectively the person is aware of those legal laws or seeking the legal assistance, like to select the professional and is desired in the lease. All these things include in the competencies. Then next, competency to comply with government regulations. to appraise the effect of various regulations on the business of operations, means in which area the government is providing subsidy, where is the higher tax rate. So these policies need to be understood by the entrepreneur. Then moving to the second part of the type of competency, that is enterprise management competency. So how the entrepreneur is managing the enterprise. So competency to manage the business, like what are your business plans, goals, objectives. You need to make your vision, organization structure, goal, each and everything. Basically this is how you are making the operational plans, competencies to manage your human resource, all these. Competency to promote the business, what are your promotional advertisement techniques used, what are your promotional plans. Then competencies to manage sales effort, to develop a sales plan for the business, to develop policies and procedures for servicing the customers, to develop a plan for training and motivating sales people. That's are the competencies required. Then another competency is competency to keep business records. So because all the record related to business need to be maintained, and anytime that can be uh, called for audit. So one need to keep all the business records under one hand. So that proper bookkeeping is required. Competency to manage the finance, like how you are managing your cash flow management, working capital management, financial management, each things need to be managed. Then competency to manage customer credit and collection, to analyze the legal and right sources of credit guarantors, to develop various credit and collection policies, credit promotional plans that need to be prepared here. Then competency to protect the business. This is one of the major competencies, that no one can harm your business. How effectively you are minimizing your loss, competing with your competitors. So these are the competencies required by an entrepreneur for the successful running of the venture. That's all for the day. Thanks